everyone and welcome back. Today I want to show you my newest glossy box. It's the glossy box for the month of May. Yes, we're in May. And it actually came really early, but I was waiting because I ordered the special Clinique glossy box because I was hoping to do a double unboxing. Unfortunately, it was supposed to be here 2 weeks ago. It's still not here, so I figured I would just do the unboxing for the May box because I want to know what's in there. Easy as that. So we'll get right into it. We'll open it up and there we go. Glossy magazine on top. We'll open it up. And it seems like the theme of the month is Say Yes. That's how the magazine looks like. Nice design, nice color as usual. And we'll take a look into that later. And we'll open up the box. Oh, it looks actually really empty this time. Maybe because last time it looked really full. I don't know. But we'll take a look into it. First thing I see is a hydro hand cream with almond milk for normal to dry skin. It's vegan, not tested on animals, and it's the company Vandini. So that's a popular drugstore brand here. Very nice. I will give it a sniff and we'll give it a try. It smells really nice actually, like really fresh. I like it. Okay, so let's see what else is in there. We have a Botanicals Fresh Care. What is this? Like a serum. Oh, it's a serum for hair in a sachet like this. That's a really bad sample, I think, because it feels like there's a lot of serum inside. So what are you gonna do once you open it? But that's how it looks like. It looks like, you know, organic cosmetics, and I guess that's what it is. It's without silicones, parabens, without any color. Okay, we'll try it. I don't know how yet, but we'll try it. Then I see a eyeliner in Nightfire Gold by Alverde, which is a natural cosmetics as well. It looks like a nice color. It looks like an everyday color. Oh, it's like one of those automatic ones. And what's it called? Nightfire Gold. So we'll give it a little swatch. Oh yeah, this looks like something. I don't know if you can actually see that. Probably not. But it looks like a color I can wear for like brown eye makeup, and yeah, we'll try it out. And we have a nail polish, I guess. Uzlus Airlines. Okay, it doesn't say much else, so we'll have to go read the magazine later. It has a really funky color, like it's not really, it looks like gel. It looks like a gel. I don't know what is this, but we will find out later. And then I see a Magic Skin Brilliance Day Cream in the color Light by Nova Royal. Never heard of it. It's a EE Magic Skin Brilliance Day Cream. Okay. Okay, oh wow, yes, it's already coming out like crazy. Okay, so it's quite light, and we'll give it a little, and it looks quite covering actually. Do you see that? Like, it looks like this could cover quite a bit. Yeah, I'm interested to try that. You know what, why not try it right now? I have nothing on my skin right now. We'll just give it a try, I guess. It's coming out of the bottle anyway, so might as well use it. I don't know why it's shooting out like this. And EE creams like this, I guess. I have a mirror down here, so don't wonder. It smells very natural, I feel like. Okay, I feel like it's mattifying somehow. I don't know, it feels like it. I don't know. What do you think? Do I look a lot fresher now, or I don't know. I feel like I like it, but it's not a lot of coverage on the face, like in general. But I feel like it gives a nice, like, I don't know. I feel like it gives nice effect to the skin. I hope it doesn't darken, but we'll see, because I can already see at the ends that it goes orange. So we'll see. So I will give this a few tests and then let you know what I think. I've never heard of an EE cream, so I don't know. I have to read about it. And then we have the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette. Looks like this. Take a transcendent trip to a world where eyes, cheeks, and lips glow with otherworldly opalescence. This iridescent multi-purpose highlighting palette adds luminosity and a kaleidoscopic sheen to the skin. Includes 2 velvety powders and 3 luxurious cream formulas. Multi-purpose, can be layered and used all over the face, including lips, eyes, and cheeks. Use fingertips or a brush. Sleek, I like. I already have a highlighting palette. This one's called Distorted Dreams. Sounds kind of weird. Very nice design, like, yeah. But you have fingerprints all over it. Let me just put this aside for a second. Oh, wow. Like, let me just take up this thingy. Looks like this, like very shiny, but weird colors. Like, let's give it a swatch. I have this one here, and it looks like white, but it's, I don't know where to swatch for you. Let me swatch it here. Like, do you see this? Like, I don't know. It's not like very strong, but it has like a pink shimmer. And then we have the blue one in the middle, and this looks like blue purple. I don't know, I'm not sure. Do you see this? And then we have a green one that apparently just looks green. I don't know when I would wear this other than maybe on my eyes, but it's like very sheer, I don't know. And we have the powders. Okay, usually the sleek powders are really nice. Yeah, they usually are. Let's just do the gold one. Yeah, so those are all of them swatched. I don't know if you can actually see that. The creams are very sheer. The powders are very powerful and shiny, but let me just get a tissue really quick. Maybe we can try it on my face right now and see what it does. And I just kind of want to take the gold one because I just love things like this. And they said you can take your fingers, so we'll do that. Yeah, oh yeah, I like the gold one. Looks very nice, promising. And then you know what, we'll take the cream one because why not? And we'll do the it's like the pink sheen. Uh-huh. I actually like that a lot too. And then why not take the green on the nose and there. Okay, now I look weird. Can you see the green sheen? Give it a test, and but I don't know, like the packaging looks very sleek but it's horrible. Like you will have fingertips all over this thing. Just not good. Okay, so I feel like I look really fresh with those products, and we'll take a look into the magazine now. Let's see. The sleek palette is right on the front, so I guess everybody got this palette, which is €13. And then we have the Uzlu Airlines BEW Byron Nail Polish. Okay. It's an aquarelle effect. I have no idea. I would have to try this, I guess. And that one would be... It's 17, so what did I say? 13 and 17, so that's 20, that's 30. And then we have the EE cream. High-tech ingredients. This is anti-age, okay. Okay, so that's 25, so we're already at 55. And then the eyeliner, I know this is a drugstore product, so it's like two bucks, so it's 52. 52, okay. Oh, they had some really nice things in here this time. Too bad I didn't get the Caudalie. I love Caudalie. And then more Caudalie down here. And then they actually have all of those things like for hair care, where I got the serum from. But let's just see. It's not even, it's just I guess a little extra thing. So yeah, 52. Oh, and the hand cream, so that's 3. So that's €55 with the hand cream included. Perfect. 55 is not bad at all. And the next edition is gonna be Festival Vibes edition. So I guess it's gonna be really like colorful, I guess, maybe. We'll see, we'll find out. But yeah, I mean, I'm not too excited about this box, but you know, this cream I will definitely keep using more, because right now I'm really into a very natural look. I don't know, maybe because it's becoming summer and I just don't want to put that much makeup on, but I will keep trying these, especially for the mornings where I have to wake up at 5 and be at work at 6:30. This is gonna be a lifesaver. The eyeliner I am definitely using because the color is just really pretty. Like it. Hand cream, it's always good. I do have a ton of hand creams, but that's okay because I use them all the time. And I don't know about the nail polish, but I will give it a try. And yeah, the Sleek palette, I mean, it's always good. Sleek is a great, you know, it's a great company. I like it. That's okay. I will use all these things definitely. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up down below. Leave me a comment down below. I hope I will be uploading very soon a Glossybox a Clinique Corporation unboxing. I hope this box gets here very soon because I already wrote them an email and they said to me, well, it could be 21 days. And I don't know, I'm just really angry because it was a special edition box. I paid extra for it and it's still not here. And I've already seen people on Instagram and YouTube unbox it. So I'm angry. But okay, I will unbox it once it gets here. And then you will get to see it too. Hope you have a great day and then I'll see you next time. Bye!